Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Sakura Sanchez and I go to UCLA. So I live in a classic triple, which is the cheapest option here on campus. A classic triple has 3 people in one room, so it's me and then 2 roommates. This is how it's set up. I'll go more into detail about the storage and how we decided who got what. There is no air conditioning and there are communal bathrooms, and unfortunately our room is at the very end of this side of the building and the bathroom is on the very end of that side of the building. So I'm just gonna show you guys around and show you how I organize my stuff, give you guys some tips on what to bring to college and how to organize your stuff, and let's do it. So this is the room, obviously. Hey. This is my bed. This is where I sleep. That's my roommate Sarah. That's my roommate Sahar. So how we split it up was, here, I'll show you guys the closet space on this side. So there's only 2 of these type of closets, and then this is the other type of closet. It's pretty small, as you can see. So what we ended up doing was we basically divided who gets what based off of how close they are to home. So like, for example, my roommate Sarah, she is from Chicago, so we gave her the most space because she doesn't have the luxury of like transporting her stuff back and forth. And then my roommate Sahar, she lives in Pasadena, so she's pretty close to home. And then I am from, you know. Anyway, so I have this side. There's this closet that goes all the way back, this one that has the shelving units and drawers, and then just a little one up there, and then this one goes all the way back. So I'll get more into the specifics in a little bit, but I just want to show you all that. These are the desk areas. So this is my desk, this is Sahar's desk, and that's her bed. So when she wants to go to her bed, she has to like step up on her desk to her bed. For mine, my roommate has to step onto my desk, which is kind of inconvenient sometimes, but I'm sorry, I didn't want this desk. But she made it work really well. It does look bigger because they have extensions at the end, so if we wanted, we could put the extensions on these 2 to make them longer, but then it would make the room look really small, and it's already really small as it is, so we just left it how it was when we moved in. Now I'm going to show you guys how to organize my stuff here. I just reorganized all of this. I had books filled up all the way along here before, and I thought I was going to be able to read a lot in college, and I don't have that luxury of reading books that aren't assigned in my classes. So I just put a cute little stack right there, and then I posted some of my Polaroids along here. I just like taped them on the back. They actually like fit pretty well. And then some cute little succulents. One of my best friends gave me this. I painted a couple of these. My big sister and my sorority painted me most of these, except a couple that my boyfriend painted me, like that one. He's so cute. So my makeup is back there, makeup brushes obviously. Under here I just keep like sunglasses, chargers, accessories, camera supplies, etc. And then here I have like really random stuff. I put all of my like receipts, little papers, and things that I don't want to throw away. And then I have like random things like keys from home and stuff like that. I actually made this, and this cup in my high school ceramics class, so that's cool. In this drawer I have like all my creative stuff, I guess. I like to pretend like I journal all the time, so I have the washi tape and then fun post-it notes, and then this is like a whole bunch of pens and whatnot. In here I have some pictures that I didn't hang up, a whole bunch of extra paper, expo markers, tape, calculators, my laptop from home just because they have some writing assignments on there that I haven't transferred to my new laptop, so I have to do that. And that is it for my desk. I just hang my backpack there. Cool. I have extra room on my side, Sahar doesn't. I just like stuff a whole bunch of stuff here. So like my skateboard, a backpack that I put a whole bunch of other bags in because I'm a bag hoarder. And this line here is the telephone. We have like a telephone for a room, but no one ever calls us, so it's just underneath my stuff somewhere. Cool. So this is my bed. I have like little fairy lights at the top, just hung a couple pictures. That my big sis made me. That was what I made on bid day at my sorority, and I love dream catchers. I have a million at home, but I only brought a couple with me. I get so out of breath talking, dude. Like, it's hot in here, but I close the windows because like there's all noise outside. And here I have some stuffed animals that my big also gave me. Wow, that's so annoying the whole time. I'm just like, oh, my big, my big. By the way, did you know I love my big? Yeah, so I have a comforter here that I bought with like the campus package that came. Oh, that doesn't look good. Okay. That came with this fan and this light. This is such a cheap fan. Like, only one setting even works anymore. Oh, I fixed it. Anyway, this fan is so cheap. I keep having to like screw it back in because it falls apart. And this light, it went through so many light bulbs until my dad brought me this like really weird light bulb I've never seen before, and it hasn't burnt out for a while, so that's good. Just careful with the light bulbs you get. Over here is the microwave fridge set that we rented through the school. It was really expensive. I think it was $30 each a quarter, so that's around $300 for the year. So they have it so you can only have a fridge or a microwave unless you buy their pack. It's supposed to be like a fire safety hazard thing if you have like multiple appliances, so this one's like special to accommodate that. But honestly, we don't even really use it that much because we have like meal swipes. I'm gonna make a video on that. The food here is absolutely amazing, so check back for that later. So yeah, that's her desk. I'm not gonna go into what she has and what's over there. And then this is my roommate's desk that lives up there. She's really organized and so clean, and she's great. Underneath here are two really long drawers that go really far back. I gave those to my roommate who has this small closet because I felt bad that she doesn't have a lot of room. But it's really inconvenient because she'll leave her drawers open and then I'll like step out to get out of bed and it's like, oh, sorry, I'm stepping on your stuff. So just, if you end up sectioning off your rooms like I did, be conscious of that. Over here's my closet area. So I bought this mirror from Target, and then I got like the command tape to tape it on there. It's worked out pretty well. And then in here is just a lot of like my lotion and perfume and random stuff like that. There's another mirror right there. I keep more of that stuff right here and here, so like nail polish remover and all this stuff. This was something I won in a pink giveaway, but these aren't really my style, so I'm gonna put these on my Poshmark. So if you want them, I looked them up and they're actually like $100, like brand new. They are brand new, so we'll see. Oops. And here are all my shirts. So I put my long sleeves here and then my tanks here. I try to color organize them, but yeah. And then here's just an addition. I have more tanks and t-shirts, which is a better job at color organized. And then down here, I was cleaning my room and I got rid of a whole bunch of clothes, so this is just like some extra stuff. I was wearing this shirt earlier and that didn't fit anywhere else. Oops. And then I'm gonna show you guys my other clothes and I'll come back over here after that. Up here, I keep all like my bras, underwears, and socks, and then I have like a candle right here just to make like the whole closet smell good. So I definitely recommend doing that because it really works. Hung up all my dresses here. I have so many, it's terrible. I got these felt hangers and I absolutely love them because like your clothes stay on the hanger. Totally recommend getting these hangers for your dorm. I also got these like pant hangers for my shorts and skirts, and then a couple jeans in the back that are like really thick or wrinkle easily. And then I have like big jackets and shirts that wrinkle easily there. And then I have like a million sweaters piled up in a bin back there. There's so many sweaters, it's terrible. And then all my other pants and my leggings I folded and put in there. And then here I have shorts, skirts, more skirts, like sweats and spandex and whatnot. These are my work clothes. That's a robe, and then those are like slippers and sandals, and I put all my other sandals here. And then I actually like lined up my shoes basically all the way back to like save room, and it's really easy to like just grab them out. But I didn't fit those in there, and they're like semi-new, so I'm trying to keep them clean. And then all my other shoes I have in that basket and in a bag in there, like my heels and stuff. I don't know why I have so many shoes when I literally wear sandals like every day besides this week. But so back to in here, I keep my food and snacks here. I used to keep them in that storage container, but they'd like mysteriously go missing. And then I just have like random toiletry items on both sides. My towels, this is like my shower caddy. I recommend getting one of like these types rather than the plastic ones because it's just like easier to carry and like just shove places. I usually hang this up on my straightener right here, but then I made room so I just put it in there. And then this is all my jewelry. I have it organized by like bracelets, necklaces, earrings, etc. And then I have all my scrunchies in this thing and just shove it back there to make it look pretty and organized, but like I'm not, so. Bro, this is literally like a workout filming this video. It is so hot. Maybe that's why I can't breathe. So there's a couple things I forgot to show, which is this bin that I got from Target, and then this and that. My mom got me an Easter basket, and I just threw the stuffed animal in there because he's so cute, and my boyfriend got me him too. Love him. And then in here is all my paint supplies. So I have like some canvases, all my paintbrushes, all my paints, and I also keep more canvases back there behind the whiteboard. And in here I have utensils and dishes, and then cleaning supplies and bottles. I definitely recommend bringing a couple of these to school because, like, trust me, just do it. I tried to record this video really fast because I feel like my roommates are gonna be back soon and it's midterm week, so they're always like on the grind and studying. I actually don't have any midterms. I have one take home one. Now I'm rambling. Okay, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want a more in-depth video, like thorough, I don't know, I might try to make a video of like what to bring and what not to bring to college, because I seriously brought so much crap. Like that whole one back there that I showed you is filled, and I never really used the stuff I brought, so I just thought that would be useful, especially since the transition from high school to college is coming soon for a lot of people. Man, it's hot. I'm gonna open this window now. Oh, I'll show you guys my view. This is my view. This is campus. That's like a lot of the other residential buildings. It's pretty. And honestly, not having AC isn't that bad, but it's also like getting hotter, so it might get worse. But there is like a lounge at my building that is air conditioned, and then I feel like the bathrooms are. I don't know. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please like this video and subscribe, and comment below any ideas you have for other videos. I'm sorry it always sounds like I'm out of breath. It's because I don't know how to talk and breathe at the same time. Oh, okay, bye. I accidentally pressed the power button instead of the record to stop recording, and I was really scared that everything was gonna be deleted because that's happened to me on my iPhone before.